We can use a kit to create a collection of assets within an asset group. So let's see how we can do that. First of all, I need to create a new kit, and I can do that using the option on the left hand side of the screen, using New Kit. You can apply an asset reference to your kit, but it's not mandatory. You must give your kit a name. The acquisition date is actually the date that you create the kit. Then we must select an asset group for which the kit is going to be used. From the list of assets below, we can select the assets which should be included in the kit. We need to select at least 2. Once we've selected 2 or more, the Save button will become green, and then we can create our kit, including our assets. We're directed to the screen which displays our kit and how it is made up of our kit members, which are the individual assets. When we view the asset register, we can see the kit has been created, and using the expander icon, we can see the assets included within the kit.